Today we're gonna learn how to change ChatGPT password. First open up chat.openai.com, and if you are logged into a ChatGPT account, you first need to log out. Tap on the three lines on the top left and tap on logout on the bottom. We're firstly logging out because there is no option to change the password when you are logged in. So in this case, what we'll need to do is reset the password of ChatGPT. Tap on the login button, type in your email address, tap on continue. Now in this section, you'll see an option of forgot password. Just tap on it. Now the email address that you've just added will be also added in this section. Make sure that the email address is the same of your ChatGPT account. Tap on continue. Now a password reset link will be sent to your email address that you've entered. You can open up your email. Once you open up your email, you can see the password reset link will be sent to it. Tap on reset password. It's gonna again open it in a website. Now you'll need to create a new password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long, and in the second box you'll need to again re-enter it. Make sure that both of these passwords match and just tap on reset password. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.